Hi guys, this is a quick look at the Samsung 28 liter convection microwave oven that I bought from Flipkart. The model number is CE1041DSB2 /TL. It's in black color, and the MRP quoted over here is 15,000, but after applying all the discounts I was able to get it for around 10,500 rupees. And just wanted to tell you that this particular unit is made in Malaysia. And however, also would like to point out over here that there are no additional freebies provided, like additional casserole sets, etc., which are compatible with microwave ovens. And this particular unit comes with a 1-year warranty on the magnetron, and the product itself also contains 1-year warranty. However, there is a 10-year warranty on the inner cavity, which is made up of ceramic material. Being ceramic, they have highlighted as to what the advantages of ceramic are. You can browse the video on their official website to check as to what the advantages are. So the box is already opened. The guys who delivered the box have actually opened it, and just wanted to open the unit itself to ensure there were no dents, etc. However, let me go ahead and showcase the contents to you. So here is the glass plate itself. This would be placed on the tray inside the cabinet, and this would actually rotate. So it's hefty. Keep that aside, and doing the styrofoam. Here is the oven itself, as you can see over here, wrapped in styrofoam. Finally managed to take the oven out of the box, and you can see all the plastic and everything is still intact. Here is the menu. It's got the slim fry feature, which is available in higher end ovens as well. Then there is India specific menu options like roti, naan, curd, dove proof, Indian recipe. I'll have to dig in through the menu to check out how it actually works. To open the oven, you just have to gently pull the door, and as you can see, all the contents are kept securely inside the oven cavity itself. Let me try opening it up. So this is all that comes in the box. Apart from the oven, you get the menu. I guess this is a very important piece of paper. Then there is the warranty card. Flipkart, I believe Flipkart does not actually provide any dealer's sign or anything like that, but it should be fine. I guess Samsung would honor this warranty. Then there is the menu itself. So we might need to actually go through the contents to check what all the options are. So this is the glass tray, which would be the base, and this is the ceramic panel, which has got a 10-year warranty on it. And if you see closely, let me try and check if I can focus it. Okay, you can see the list of options over here, and what all menus you need to press to get to those options. You can pause the video and check them out. So apart from the glass tray, you have this base plate. It's a sort of a metallic base plate with Teflon coating, I guess. Not sure about that, but on the video they have shown this base plate to slim fry French fries, etc. Then we have this small version of the tandoori grill, I guess. There is this taller version of the same tandoori grill, and we have this roller blade with circular rings over here. This would actually make the entire assembly to turn. Now the Samsung technician is going to come in a couple of days, and he will actually demo the working of this oven. So at that point of time you would be able to actually start using it. In the meantime, if you have any questions or any queries, please do let me know in the comment section. That's it from me. Goodbye for now.